Hey best friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we will be making some glitter lip gloss, you guys. So if this is something that you're interested in learning or wanting to do, then make sure you keep on watching. But first, before we get into today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also turn your post notification bell on so you won't miss when I upload, you guys. We're going to start off with clean fresh hands because we want to keep everything sanitized and sanitary and everything like that. You're going to put your gloves on and we're going to get started. Now, don't be trying to go on me in the comment section about my gloves. These are the only gloves that I had available at the time, y'all. But anyways, so the lip gloss base that I'm going to be using is from TKB. This is the 6 ounce. It actually came 2 in a pack, so I'm going to be using this today, you guys. Is the glitter that I'm going to be using, you guys. I got this from my local Walmart. It is non-toxic, it's safe, and it's perfect for using in your lip gloss, you guys. So you can go get this at your local Walmart. Now, this is the scent that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using strawberry for this scent. I'm also going to be using avocado oil, some olive oil, vitamin E oil, a syringe, and 2 pipettes. This is the squeeze tube that I'm going to be using. This is the 15 milliliter squeeze tube. I got these off of Amazon. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to start by opening up my lip gloss base, and I'm going to empty out all of its contents into the bowl. Next, I'm going to be adding in my vitamin E oil so we can make sure that them lips are moisturized and healthy, y'all. Next, I'm going to be adding in both my avocado and my olive oils to the mixture. You want to take your time with this process and not add in too much in the beginning because, you know, you just never know. Sometimes it could be too thick, sometimes it could be too thin, but you just have to keep mixing it and, you know, seeing if in the end result, if it's the consistency that you are looking for. So you'll see me time and time again keep on adding in more until I feel like it's the right consistency that I'm looking for. So this is the consistency that I was looking for and that I was going for. It's not too thick. It's not too watery. It's like just right for me and what I was looking for. I'm going to go ahead and add in the scent and the glitter. I'm going to be using this scent. It's from Brambleberry. I'm going to link everything down in the description box below. But I'm going to take my pipette and I'm going to suck just a little bit of it. It looks like about a tablespoon. Even that was a bit too much because literally like a little goes a long way because the scent is so strong, but it works out in the end for the good. But now I'm going to go ahead and add in the glitter. Now I'm going to take my pipette and cut the tip of it off. That way it will be easier for me to fill up my lip gloss tubes because I did get the wrong dang on syringes, so I had to cut it a little bit more off so that it was able to fit. I got the tiny ones. Oh my God, I should never got those, but anyways, yeah, so you cut it a little bit enough so that way it can fit on there tightly. And then I'm going to use the scissors again. I'm going to cut where the bulb is at, that way it can stretch all the way down to the end, the bottom of the lip gloss tube. This makes filling lip gloss so much more easier. And yeah, only thing I don't like about these syringes is that I had to keep filling it up over and over and over and over again, which I could have just got the bigger ones and but whatever, it's cool. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this part so you guys can just look and learn and just see. And yeah. And another thing, y'all, make sure y'all have like some clean towels and napkins and all that good stuff around, because this stuff gets messy. But a little palm of oil, power degreaser and water gets it off real clean and smooth. So y'all, when y'all making y'all lip gloss and y'all worried about getting it everywhere and stuff like that, and your gloss is being sticky on the outside, don't worry about it, because the water and the soap mixture literally gets it off. Y'all, so this is the final look. This is what it looks like when it's cleaned off, packaged up. See, I got glitter on my hands. I told y'all this stuff get everywhere, but yeah, I'm gonna put it on for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like on. Also, if you guys would like to shop with me, I will be leaving everything down in the description box below. And I will also be giving you guys a personalized coupon code so you guys can get a percentage off on your first purchase. But, yep, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I drop videos every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays of beauty, business, and lifestyle. But until next time, you guys.